Don't worry,
Okay,
I
I
got it
got
all
him.
on fraps.
He's due west, altitude hot. No, that's not ours. Who the
Whoa,
hell
who
is
the
that?
fuck's driving?
Who the fuck is that? Who the hell? Did they change helicopters?
Target that chopper at 3-1.
You're looking for guys, one guy had a red beret hat on with your urban camo. The one guy had a black suit and some sunglasses on, I believe. Two of them had brown jackets on.
Oh shit.
Did they really just crash into you?
Wow. Oh my
The
god.
MI-17 did?
Yeah, he just fucked us.
Is he? So he's dead.
That's bannable, actually.
Fucking...
If they did that on purpose, that's bannable.
Get the fraps going.